In a time long forgotten, societies were emerging from the shadows of chaos, inching towards order as they codified laws that would shape their destinies and influence future generations forever. These laws, etched in stone and discussed fervently among the leaders, were more than mere rules. They represented the collective values and aspirations of a civilization striving for justice and stability. As these ancient laws took root, they transformed everyday life, influencing commerce and interactions, while also instilling a sense of accountability among the people. Even in times of strife, these ancient laws dictated the conduct of warfare, ensuring that honor prevailed as communities united to reflect on their shared values and the role of justice in everyday life. Within sacred temples, the laws were not just enforced. They were celebrated as divine mandates, fostering a sense of unity among the people, while shaping the decisions of tomorrow's leaders. As generations passed, civilizations recognized the significance of their laws, gathering to celebrate their legal heritage, while also safeguarding justice in solemn courtrooms, ensuring that fairness prevailed for all.